फोकस ऑन योर ग्रोथ, अपनी नमो पे आप कैसे फोकस करें। और ग्रोथ जो है वो शुरू हमारे घर से होती है। ख़वातीन व हज़रात, मेरे साथ एलीट प्रोफेशनल रियल्टर ब्रदर हारिस नाज हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम हारिस भाई।
वालेकुम कसर भाई।
मैं जो ये प्रेमिस मैंने बयान किया है कि ग्रोथ आपके घर से, फैमिली से शुरू होती है।
Absolutely.
दैट्स अ फंडामेंटल यूनिट।
True.
तो और हम अपनी रिस्पेक्टेबल लिविंग, ऑनरेबल लिविंग को इंश्योर करते हैं कि हमारी फैमिली खुश हो, बाइज़्ज़त हो, सिक्योर हो, और वो आपका घर उसको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करता है। तो आजकल की मार्केट में आपके ख़्याल में बायर और सेलर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से थोड़ा सा आप रोशनी डालें कि ये मार्केट का झुकाव किस तरफ है। हु इज़ द बेस्ट बेनिफिशरी फ्रॉम दिस?
Very good question, Kasar bhai. Basically, I'm emphasizing जो आपका question है, is it a good time to buy and is it a good time to sell? If the question is it a good time to buy? It's
Yes.
Kasar bhai, it is the best time to buy a property right now. Prices are really dropped right now. So, is someone who is thinking of buying a property, there are phenomenal deals out there in the market. जो चीज़ for example million की बिक्री थी back in 2021, 2022, now is selling for $700,000
Wow.
or 600.
Wow.
So there's a huge break that you're getting, and it's a good time. You can also negotiate. आप कहीं ऑफर डालते हैं, you can negotiate as well because sellers बहुत फंसे हुए हैं and they are very aggressive to sell their property because वो फंसे हुए हैं. So
Yes.
take advantage of that. Secondly, that's one thing in terms of the buying. Selling, realistically, it's not a good time to be selling. लेकिन जो अगर जो बेच रहा है वो अपनी मजबूरी है, एक one thing है. एक और जो seller है who bought their property 5 years ago or longer, they have equity. Even the market has dropped, they still have a huge substantial of equity in that property. So it's a good time for them to upgrade. Someone who bought it 5 years ago, 10 years ago,
Right.
why is it a good time to upgrade? अगर आप peak time पे, for example, million की आप town house बेचते हैं, now you want to upgrade to detached double car garage,
Right.
वो 1.5, 1.6 million का आपको मिल रहा है. So the difference of $500 or $600,000.
Right.
Versus now, if you sell, if you bought a townhouse and if you want to upgrade, you can sell it for $800 and you only have to pay maybe $100 or $150,000 to go on the upgrade of detached double car garage.
Right. Right.
So there's a huge boost from townhouse to detached double car garage.
Right.
ठीक है? And you have that huge amount of equity, so you can easily get approved.
Absolutely.
So someone who owns a town or a semi who bought 5 or more years ago, it's an excellent time for them
Right.
to upgrade
Right.
into a double car garage.
Right.
Even maybe they'll get a finished basement apartment where they can have a second income from the basement.
Right.
So if someone who is thinking of that, doing that, I have all the answers for them. Give me a call at 416-356-6572. Once again, 416-356-6572.
That's a great point, हारिस भाई, कि मार्केट में जिस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो आपने बहुत सही कहा कि ऐसे कम्युनिटी मेंबर जो अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम.
Yeah, and even sorry, I'm cutting you off. And extra money, and maybe $150,000 they have to give. And it will be blended over the 25 years or 30 years amortization mortgage.
Yeah.
So which is extra couple $100. It's not like they have to pay out of their pocket. So.
Yes. तो घरों के साथ, बिजनेसेस के साथ, इंडिविजुअल्स एंड फैमिलीज के साथ इंश्योरेंस जुड़ा हुआ है सर.
Absolutely.
इन्वेस्टमेंट्स जुड़ी हुई हैं.
You cannot close without the insurance.
मॉर्गेजेस जुड़ी हुई हैं.
Yes.
तो I, the most humble servant, always is available, Kaswar Abbas, 647-203-0426. Please give me a call immediately whenever you need any insurance, investments, or a mortgage. And if you aspire to be an insurance broker and financial advisor, Gilani's Wealth Group is conducting trainings every day in the evening, so you're most welcome to join our team. Haris bhai?
I want to add to that. By calling us does not mean you have to do a transaction calling Kaswar Bhai or myself. You can ask any questions. We are there to help you.
Absolutely.
You know, in the back of your mind, you may think, I don't want to call here because I have to do a transaction. Insurance buy karna padegi.
Yeah.
No, you can ask questions. We are there to help.
Welcome to call just to ask a question, to get a familiar, and even if there's no question, we can have a pleasant discussion.
You can be out and walking with us.
Out and walking and and morning health and wellness session.
Take a look at this walk that we're doing.
It's beautiful. It's
right?
beautiful.
Beautiful trail walk with a nice river, with the beautiful water sound. It's absolutely amazing.
Absolutely. Thank you, Khawatino Hazrat. खुश रहें, enjoy करें, and Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.